Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy. So today again we are here for learning science. In science we learn about different types of things, different types of animals, different types of food also. And in lesson number 7 we learn about our body parts. So let's start our today's lecture. As you know, I am your science teacher Mubasira Miss from Mahdi School. So today we revise lesson number 4. What is name of this lesson? Plant as food, and our today's topic is revision. So as you know, we revise all lessons in previous lectures. So today we revise lesson number 4, plant as food. First we revise lesson number 4, what we learn in this lesson and how we identify different types of food, right? So all these things we learn in this lesson and then we revise our exercise. So let's start our today's lecture with one beautiful picture. So here you can see one picture, the picture of one book, and in second picture you can see that it is a brain, our brain, human brain, right? So you can see that with help of book, with learning, you can grow your brain. So when you start learning, when you start reading, and good books help you to grow your brain. So here from this picture we can learn that with learning we can grow our brain. So you can understand that how learning and study is important for us. So with this beautiful picture, let's start our today's topic. So first, which lesson we revise today? We revise lesson number 4. And what is the name of this lesson? Plant as food. So in lesson number 3 we learn about plants, that how plants start growing, what plants need to grow, how plants are living things. So when we learn about plants in lesson number 3 we learn that plant has many parts. So in lesson number 4 we learn about how we use part of the plant in our food, right? So we learn different types of food which we get from plants in this lesson. First we revise lesson number 4, that what we learn in this lesson, then we revise lesson number 4 exercise. So let's start. First, food we get from plant. The main thing which we learn in this lesson is food from plant, that which type of food we get from plant, right? We learn that some vegetables we get from plant which are fruit of the plant. So different part of the plant how we use in our food, and some we use as flour, some we use as vegetable, some we use as fruit, right? So let's see what we learn in this lesson, right? So first, what we get from plant, we get different types of fruits, different types of vegetables, and different types of cereals and pulses from plant. So here you can see the picture of fruits. So which fruits you can see here? We also revise this lesson with one activity about fruits and the spelling of fruits, right? So here you can see that which fruits we get from plant. All fruits we get from plant. So here you can see the picture of banana, peach, coconut, dragon fruit, jackfruit, lemon, guava, then fig, lychee, custard apple, star fruit, chiku, papaya, muskmelon, watermelon, all these we get from plants. So these all are fruits which we get from plant. We also learned that some fruits have many seeds, when some fruits have only one seed, when some fruits have no seeds, like banana, right? So you can understand that different types of fruit have different seeds, And remember that fruit is a part of the plant which contains seed inside it, and seed contain baby plant inside it. So we get fruit from plant, which we learn in this lesson, right? So here you can see different types of fruits. So these all things we get from plant. So now you can understand that some vegetables are also fruit of the plant, like brinjal, cucumber, tomatoes. These all are we eat as vegetable, but it is the fruit of the plant, right? Then we learn about vegetables which we get from plant. So which vegetable we get from plant? Here you can see broccoli, celery, carrot, cucumber, cabbage, corn, potato, pumpkin, sweet potatoes, tomatoes, radish, eggplant, mushrooms. These all are vegetables which we get from plant. So it means most of the food we get from plant. So if you want to grow healthy, you need to eat vegetables, and green vegetables help to increase your immunity power. So these all are vegetables which we get from plant. Here you can see the picture of vegetables which we mostly eat at our house. Which are they? Here you can see that carrot, capsicum, potatoes, tomatoes, brinjals. Here you can see fruits also, like apple, green apple, right? So these all are vegetables which we get from plants. Some vegetables we eat as salad also, right? So here you can see the picture of vegetables which we mostly use in our house. Onion, garlic, all these we use in our meal. So what we get from plant? Fruits and vegetables. Then we learn in this lesson about cereals and pulses. So cereals and pulses we use in our food every day. Like wheat, we use wheat flour to making roti or chapatis or breads. Rice we eat every day 2 times in meal, right? So these all are also very important food for our body. So we use vegetables also every day, and we use cereals and pulses also every day. First we learn about cereals. That cereals are the whole grain like wheat, rice, barley, oats. So we also learn in this lesson about wheat, that how wheat start growing, and wheat needs big land to grow, right? So all these things we learn in this lesson. We learn that how we use cereals in our food, right? So most used cereal in our food is wheat. We use wheat as flour also, as whole wheat also. We make sweet dishes from wheat also. We make fast food from wheat also. We make breads from wheat, right? Then we learn about pulses. So here you can see the picture of pulses. Peas, mixed beans, mung beans, kidney beans, split peas, split pulses we use in our food as dal. So when we make dal at our home, it means you are eating pulses. In evening we all are making khichdi at our home. So in khichdi we use mung splits with rice. So you can understand that how we are using food in our house and which food we eat every day, right? So all these things we learn in this lesson. Then we learn about tea, coffee and sugar. We also learn that we get tea, coffee and sugar from plant. We get tea dust from tea plant. the leaf of tea, we dry it and then we grind it. We also drink green tea with help of green leaf of the tea. Then we get coffee powder from coffee seeds. First we roast coffee seeds and then we grind it and we make coffee from it. Then we get sugar from sugarcane plant. So sugar can give us sugar. First we take out juice of sugar, then we boil it and then the long process give us sugar. So here you can see the picture of green teas, black teas and spice teas. So these all are type of teas. We mostly use at our home dust tea. It is black dust tea. It means we are using tea dust in our tea. So in morning when you wake up, your mother give you tea. In evening, most of our house we all are drinking tea. So it means tea we used most at our home as a drink. And in morning mostly people drink tea. So it is very important food from plant. And we learn about coffee, different types of coffee. Here you can see brown coffee, black coffee, dark brown coffee, right? So sometimes we drink black coffee which is without milk, and sometimes we eat food with coffee and tea also, right? So in all these things we add sugar because we cannot drink coffee without sugar. We don't like it. So here you can see the picture of different types of sugar. Some are brown sugar, some are purified sugar, some are sugar cubes. So you can understand that how plants give us food, and these food are different from plant and we differently get food from plant. Like when you see sugarcane, you don't understand that how we get sugar from sugarcane because it is long process, right? Like that when you see tea plant, you cannot understand that how we get tea dust because tea dust is black when tea plant is green. So this is the different type of food which we get from plant and different way. Then we learn about root vegetables. So we learn about root vegetables like carrot, onion, garlic, radish, all are root vegetable which is growing along the ground, underground, not on the ground. That's why we called them root vegetables, because root growing underground. So carrot, onion, garlic, all are root vegetable. Then we learn about stem, which is a part of the plant, and we eat stem like sugarcane and potato. And we also learn that potato is most used vegetable in all over the world. In our house we use potato, right, in every dish. If your mother making brinjal, your mother add potato inside the dish. Then your mother making peas or beans, any beans, your mother add potato in every food. We also learn that we add potato in pulao also. With non-veg dishes also we add potatoes. So now you can understand that how potato is used in all over the world. Most eating food of all over the world is potato. Then we learn about leaf we eat. So in lesson number 3 we learn about different parts of the plant. In lesson number 4 we learn that how we are using different part of the plant in our food. So we learn about leaf we eat. So leaf like coriander, mint, spinach we eat in our food. These two leaf here you can see mint and coriander add natural color, green color to our food. We also use these two leaf in our food for adding flavor also and for adding color also. We also use these two leaf to make medicines. Mostly in cold days we use mint in our food because mint give us healthy and good flavor to our dish. So these two leaf we eat. We also eat spinach and other leaf like cabbage, spinach. Spinach is one of the leaf which we eat in our food, and it is very healthy food because spinach help to making new blood in our body, because green vegetable help us to growing immunity power in our body. So when your mother tell you that eat green vegetables, you have to eat green vegetables, right? In nowadays you need to grow your immunity power, so that's why we have to eat green leaf. Then flower we eat cauliflower and broccoli. These two flowers we eat. We also learn in this lesson that flowers like rose add flavor in our dish. In sweet dishes also, we make sweet dishes from rose. We make cold drinks from rose flavor. So you can understand that how flowers give natural touch to our food. Then cereals, we learn that cereals we eat. You can see here rice and wheat, which two cereal we eat every day, right? In chapatis we use wheat. We also make fast food like idli and other from rice. So you can understand that cereals we use in our food. Then pulses, peas, chickpea, kidney beans, splits, pulses we use in our food. We also make fast food from these pulses. Then here you can see tea, coffee and sugar, that how we use in our food. When your mother making tea, you can understand the black color dust is tea, and this we get from plant. Then coffee, then sugar, right? So we make sugar from sugar cane, and sugar cane is a plant. We also get some other food from plant like dry fruits, almond, hazelnut, cashew, peanut, walnut, coconut, coffee. This all we get from plant, and these all are dry fruits. So we learn about fruit which we eat. We also learn about dry fruit. It means when fruit become dry, we use as dry fruit in our sweet dishes. So when your mother making any sweet dish, for garnishing your mother use these dry fruits. These dry fruits help to sharp your brain. So this all we get from plant. Here you can see dry fruits. Then we get oil, cooking oil from plant. Which plant give us cooking oil? Peanut, coconut and cotton seeds. So we get oil from plant. Here you can see the picture of oil which we use in our food. Other plants also give us oil like olive oil and walnut oil, but in our home mostly we use these three oil: cotton seeds oil, peanut oil, we call them groundnut oil, and coconut oil. So we use coconut oil to oiling our hair. So now you can understand that how we use plant as food. So in our house for making dishes mostly we use oil. Without oil our dishes is tasteless, right? So you can understand that how we get food from plant and how we use it. So what we revise today? We revise today fair book exercise. So we already revised whole lesson, that what we get from plant and how we get from plant, how we use it in our food. So let's write the fair book exercise, right? So you have to give quickly answer of these questions. So let's start today's topic. First question is fill in the blanks. In this we have two options. One option is right and second option is wrong. Right? So let's start and see first exercise. We get vegetables from dash. We have two options, plants and animals. So when we learn about fruits and vegetables, we learn that how plants start growing. We grow watermelon plant. It is a fruit which we eat, right? The fruit which has green and red color. It is very watery fruit, right? So we eat when we are fasting. In evening we all eat watermelon, right? So watermelon is fruit, apple is fruit, banana is fruit. So now you can understand that fruits we get from plant, because when we learn about plants, we grow mango plant, we grow apple, we grow watermelon also. So these all are fruits from plant. Then we learn about vegetables. So which vegetables we learn? We learn about potatoes, we learn about cucumber, brinjal, tomatoes, right? So these all are vegetables. So we get fruits and vegetables from plant or animal. Here you can see the picture of fruits and vegetables. So we grow carrot plant, right? So it is a plant. So we get vegetables from plants or animals. Right or wrong? Plants or animals? Plants. So here we write the spelling of plant. So now I repeat the FB. We get vegetables from plant. Right? So we learn in this lesson that fruits and vegetables we get from plant. Then number 2, mango is dash we eat. The option is fruits and vegetables, right? So we have two options. So when we learn about mango, we also do one activity of fruits, right? We write the spelling of fruit. We also write that how many seeds fruits have. We also write the spelling of vegetables. So now you tell me that mango is fruit or vegetable. Here you can see the picture of fruits. So you can see there mango. Yes or no? Yes. So mango is fruit we eat, right? So when we learn about mango, we grow mango plant also, right? That how mango start growing from seeds. We also learn that mango is a king of the fruit and most people like mango, right? In this lesson we also learn that mango we use to make pickles also, to make sauces also, we make mango milkshake also, right? So mango is fruit we eat. Then we learn in this lesson about food from plant like sugar, tea and coffee. So this number 3 FB is about sugar, tea and coffee. So we get dash from plant. So we have two options, eggs and sugar, right? So here you can see the picture of sugar cane and sugar also, right? So white color powder we get from sugar cane. Remember we learned that first we take out sugar cane juice and then we boiled it and we make sugar. So we get sugar from sugar cane and sugar cane is a plant. So what is the answer? What we get from plant? Eggs or sugar? Did you see anywhere the plant of eggs? Yes or no? No, because we get eggs from hen and hen is animal. So we get sugar from plant. As we learn in this lesson that we get sugar from sugar cane and sugar cane is a plant. So we get sugar from plant. The answer is sugar. Number 4. Banana and dash are fruit we eat. So we have two options, apple and potato. So from this, which is the fruit? Potato or apple? One is vegetable and one is fruit, right? So from this, which is a fruit and which is a vegetable? Yes, it is apple. So we learn about apple also. When we start learning ABCD, first letter we learn A and first word we learn is apple, A for apple. So banana and apple are fruit we eat, when potato is a stem of the plant and it is vegetable which we eat. We make potato chips also, right? So potato is vegetable when apple is fruit we eat. Then spinach is dash we eat, right? So let's see the picture here. The picture of leaf, right? And it is spinach. So now you tell me that it is a fruit or it is a leaf. Green color part of the plant is leaf. So spinach is leaf or fruit. Remember we learn about leaf, that leaf help to make new blood in our body. We also learn about the cartoon Popeye the Sailorman, and the Popeye eating spinach and get energy. So spinach is leaf we eat. So green color part of the plant, right? Here you can see it look like leaf and we eat. We make palak paneer. So it is this spinach which we use in this dish, right? Then question number 2, true or false? So let's see first true or false. We get fruits from animals. So when we learn about plants, we learn that we get fruits and vegetables from plants. So animals not give us fruits and vegetables. So this sentence is right or wrong? Wrong. So what we write here? We write here false. So we get fruits from animals is false. We get fruits from plant. Then number 2, potato is vegetable we eat. So now you tell me that potato is vegetable or fruit. Here you can see the picture of potato. It is vegetable. We make different type of dishes from potato. So this sentence is right. So potato is vegetable we eat is right sentence. Number 3, apple is leaf of the plant. So here you can see the picture of apple and you can see apple with leaf. So now you tell me that apple is leaf or apple is fruit. Right? So it is fruit. So it means apple is leaf of the plant is right or wrong? It is wrong. So what we write here? False. Apple is fruit we eat and apple is leaf of the plant is wrong sentence. Then number 4, we get sugar from plant. So here you can see sugar cane and you can see sugar also. And sugar cane is the fruit of the plant. So it means we get sugar from plant is right answer. So we write here true. Right? So we get sugar from plant. So when we learn about tea, coffee and sugar, that we get tea, coffee and sugar from plant, and sugar can give us sugar. So what we learn today we revise this lesson, right? First we revise that what we get from plant, how we use this in our food, and then we revise 2 questions. Question number 1, fill in the blanks, and question number 2, true or false. So I hope you all understand what we learned today and you enjoy it. So take care of yourself and stay healthy.